All right, here we have our 416 LY6 hot rod package. This engine makes between 550 and 640 horsepower, depending upon the cam and intake that you choose with it. It is, it's a great hot rod engine. It has, a great sounding idle. Obviously the 550 horse, is going to be a little smoother of an idle, a little bit more power down low. So maybe some of you guys with, hot rods that are a little heavier, you might want to choose, somewhere in the lower horsepower range. But let's say you have a 67 Camaro, you want to, go to the track, you want to turn some tire with it. We've used the BTR Trinity intake, and we have a camshaft that'll make 640 horsepower, which is quite impressive. I mean, that thing is just a performer, to say the least. This engine is, built with just a nice quality lineup of parts. It's got a GM 6-liter block. It's got a Callies Comp Star forged steel crank and H-beam rod. Mahle Motorsports forged piston, all BTR Valvetrain, features our Golen Engine LS CNC-Ported head that we actually 5-axis CNC port here in-house. That flows a ton of air. That's one of the main reasons, for making this type of power with this, is that cylinder head. Then we're outfitting it with, we're completing it, so it's going to be turnkey. So we got the Wegner billet front drive. This is the black with the diamond cut. They do offer polished if you want to have a little different look there. Then from there, we're using the LS3 GM intake. That's the 550 and 600 horsepower packages. We use that. If you want to do the 640, it's going to be the BTR Trinity intake with the 102 millimeter throttle body. We're typically doing drive-by-wire with these because we include a Holley Terminator X-Max EFI, so that way that will come all tuned. So these engines come dyno tested and tuned by us. So when you get it, you're ready just to bolt it in and go. The dyno testing, we're going to run this engine for a full break-in. We'll do full sweep tests, measuring for horsepower and torque, and get all that tuning finished off for you. We'll do a video, and put it on YouTube of your actual engine running. Or if you're local, you're welcome to come down and see it run in person, take it home the same day. A few other things about this engine package. We're selling this thing outright to you. So there's no core charge. There's no sales tax. It comes with full tech support. So if you need any help on the install, we're here to help with that. And it also comes with a 1-year warranty. So if you have any questions, feel free to call or shoot us an email. We'd be happy to help you.